See how it goes. I'm literally just trusting God with all of this, you guys. I'm like trying not to be nervous. I just want to go with the flow and have fun, and I'm excited, you know, but dang. This is so cool. It's a really cool view. Hello. So right now I am at my next stay location. My stomach hurts, you guys. I ate some nachos and it said it was black bean nachos, but when I was eating them I saw meat in it and I think I ate it a few times. Oh, all right, that's not the point. Okay, so this is where I'm staying. You see, this is my bed up here. I'm really nervous about staying in the hostel. I stayed in one before in Mexico, but like it was very uppity. This is like real deal, $11 a night type of vibe, literally. So this is where I'm staying today. But this is Captain Morgan Hostel on Lake Cotepeque, and yeah, they have like jet ski rentals, paddle boards, kayaks, the whole nine, if you want to be a part of that. Right now I think I'm about to just chill. I need to debrief and not like get too into my own head about staying here, about seeing spiders, because I have seen spiders, about my stomach. So I'll show y'all the rest in just a sec, or maybe even tomorrow morning when there's not that many people walking around. But it's very nice, it's very cool vibe, and I already met some cool girls that actually stay right there and right there. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. It's very chill up here. I think I'm just gonna swing and think for a minute. I low-key want to get on the boat though, like over there. So me and Maria, the one girl I met here, we just went for a walk, and it was a pretty long walk actually, so we're just now getting back. I'm gonna order some french fries and the Sprite, and I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm so hungry and tired. I tried ordering nachos earlier, but they had meat in them. So okay y'all, so I am a little nervous. I decided to rough it. It's not even roughing it. I'm living life and I'm staying in a hostel, which I told you guys earlier, but this is the bathroom. And here's the vibe. It's not too bad. But there's like spiders in the shower. It's okay. I'm gonna mind my business, do what I gotta do, and get out. I got my microfiber towel, my stuff hanging up, and the room is right next door. So we're gonna do this. Turn the water on. Ooh. Let's get it. All right, so if y'all could have seen how fast I did that, y'all would actually be laughing. I actually just put on a bathing suit. This is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. All the bottoms are bathing suit. The top really isn't. My top is in the car. But we're waking up early and we're going to go to this, to like Los Stros or something like that. And it has like waterfalls and stuff. So I want to get up and be there early. So that's the plan. This is the Babs. And it's good Babs. I've been wearing the shirt for so many days. I kind of don't want to wear it to sleep. But I mean, it's a full shirt. I'd rather wear a full shirt than no shirt. I'm up early. It's about 7. Not 7. It's about 5 something. I'm just really not that tired. I'm trying to plan out the rest of this day because like my reception and Wi-Fi has been so bad. But we're just gonna hope for the best. So later on today, I have to meet someone so they can take me to the cabin that I'm supposed to be staying at, because the cabin I'm supposed to be staying at, it requires 4-wheel drive, and I do not have 4-wheel drive. And she said my car will not make it, so I just have to have someone take me. So she said there's someone that takes people. Only problem is, he's like, it's a village. I don't have like an exact address, so you have to call me when you get here. I just don't know exactly how that's gonna work because I don't have reception. So, but on the bright side, here is the hostel in the morning. So right now my car is stuck. Hold on. I knew it was gonna get stuck yesterday when they parked it, but I was like, you know what, that's a problem for another day. Today's the other day. Right now we're next to Los Churros. We're trying to figure out a way to get down there. So she's talking to them right now. I think he's trying to draw us a map. Goodness gracious. I'm nervous. My car sucks. Okay, let me not say that. My car is amazing, thank you car, but the driving abilities in this car is like very subpar, so I don't know. I'm nervous. I don't want to be nervous, but it's alright. We stopped at the store and got a whole bunch of snacks. Insert clip. Excerpt. Yeah, so I'm snacked up, ready to go, and it's like hot outside too. There's a lot of flies coming in the car. It's hot outside, so I'm ready to get in some ice cold water. But all right, y'all. Okay, say hello, Marisa. Hola. So right now, can you pronounce it to me one more time? I feel like Chorros de la Calera. I can't roll my R's, but that's where we're going. This walk is so beautiful. Yo, that is so crazy. And it's wild how you meet people and our lives are just nice to like be able to talk to someone and relate how things have been going on. I don't know if you can hear the water is down there. So he's saying we have to climb up there to, I guess, get down there. Oh gosh.
De caminar, diferente. Está la otra ruta para allá. Pero ahí ustedes deciden si.
Oh, okay. Gotta make sure we're careful. By all means, go ahead, sir.
He's like, go first.
Yeah. He's like, excuse me.
Estamos entrando ya a los chorros ya.
Okay.
La propiedad del chorro.
Vamos, perrito.
Oh, there's barbed wire. Be careful. Yeah. I feel like we're breaking the law.
Yep, you are.
There's like a gate saying that you can't enter, but he's like, problem is the people who are here, we're not taking care of the property. These trees have thorns. So they closed it down to the public, but he's saying all we got to do is go around it. So that's what we're doing right now. The more we walk, the closer the water sounds. This is getting steep. Ooh. Oh. All right. So boom, 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 boom. Hold on to that tree branch right here when you're coming down.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, right there. All right, so I'm going to update you guys when we get closer or at the waterfalls. I'm sweating too much and I cannot multitask. I feel like very soon I'm gonna fall. So, ooh, see? Yes. I just spoke that into existence. Okay, so I'm gonna be steady and sturdy this whole time, but I'm putting the phone away for extra vigilance. So, adios. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. And we're still not even there yet. The amount of sweat I have dripping off of my face. Gracias. Woo! Oh my gosh, we did it!
Más antes este de la entrada principal.
Oh, okay, thank you.
We gotta squeeze through here to get in there. You wanna hold this for me?
Okay.
Or maybe that.
Go in.
I don't know if I'll fit.
Yes, you got this. You got this. There you go. Oh, no, no, no.
There we go. All right.
And
we're
she
finished.
made it.
Yeah, just like that. You got it. Yay! This is so exciting. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Feel the pressure from here.
Wow. This is gorgeous. Beautiful. my face. I'm crying right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The sister of this.
Here is the beautiful ins.
Whenever I got into fight, I'd be like, listen, you don't want to mess with me. I'm gonna call my girl Noelle. She's gonna kick the shit.